Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily open your Nissan Leaf key fob. You'll learn the straightforward process to access its internal components, typically for a battery replacement. This method requires only a few common household items, making it a quick and simple do-it-yourself task. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently perform this maintenance yourself in just a few minutes. First, let's prepare your key fob. On the back, you'll find a small release tab. Press this tab firmly and then slide out the mechanical key, setting it aside. This key is essential for manual entry if your fob battery ever dies. Next, grab a small flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth to protect your key fob's casing during the next step. Now it's time to open the casing. Look for a small notch or slit, usually found at one of the key fob's corners. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, you will hear a slight pop as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Continue carefully around the seam until the casing is fully open. With the fob open, gently pry out the old coin cell battery. Most Nissan keys use a CR2025 or CR2032 battery. Insert your new battery, ensuring the positive or plus side faces down. Hold the battery by its edges to avoid depleting its charge. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they securely click. Slide the mechanical key back in and test your fob's buttons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.